Scotty's Vanna. All right.
She don't even have to flip up that.
Paul, what are we doing on your Oldsmobile today?
Well, we're going to be replacing the fuel pump, and we're also going to be rebuilding the carburetor.
Yeah. So I think we're going to switch off people. Don't get any ideas. Half the group is going to work with Scotty on getting the fuel pump swapped out. And the other half, we're going to pull the carburetor off and tear it down and rebuild it. Ready? Go. All right, Team Carburetor. Oh, look at that.
Team carburetor and team fuel pump are going to have to work together for a minute to just get these damn.
Yes, we all have to work together to get the lines off.
So
First things
lines off
first, yes. I'm pulling this
and
pin.
then we're taking this off.
We need to pull this pin
Okay.
and this pin.
Okay. So more to
Yeah, I need a pair of pliers.
Could you hand me, I don't know, like a 3/8 and a half, and we just start pushing the problem?
Yeah, you're gonna need 3/8, 7/16, half, and a flathead,
Yes, please.
and maybe a 9/16.
So how do I need a flathead for?
There's a half.
Lines, buddy, lines, rubber parts of lines.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
Is there a magnet one somewhere? Oh, the radiator is actually made of copper, therefore it's not magnetic.
yes, Andre, your team carburetor. We need some. No, you don't,
No.
Okay.
There's no gasket, there's no nothing.
Scotty. All right.
There are 7/16 there.
No, because this is to delete said vacuum.
Ah, okay.
Vacuum is deleted on this. This is a deleted one. You do not need the vacuum horse shit.
Okay.
We discussed this the other day. You weren't there. Paul and I discussed this. Sorry.
In detail.
In detail. Oh, look at you guys. You're colorful.
It saved the
It's
Tata.
Squeeze the Tatas Day.
I
Yes.
need to get all three of us together. 'Cause
Look at-
we're all different.
Look at you guys. Colorful gentlemen's. Gentlemen's. A term we use lightly. Lightly.
Bitches.
Mike.
putting these in.
Hold on to the pins, yes. Did you get the other clip? Woo! Here comes the birthday boy in the Bonerville.
Okay, I'm sorry. What the hell type of wrenches are these, and why are they like, not grabbing in the way I expect them to?
Mike, see that clip right there?
Okay.
Pop that clip.
Because technically you should be using line wrenches. But
I gasped for
We can
line
pop that one,
wrenches.
and then we'll get those off. Birthday boy! Yeah. Woo! Birthday boy! Woo! We're doing what you just did.
Yeah.
Carburetor and fuel
I don't
pump.
have to think, but I have.
You don't have to sing or jump out of a cake. I was gonna have Andre jump out of the cake.
I didn't know it was your
That's a
birthday.
big ass cake.
Sorry.
31.
You're not old.
I have a concert T-shirt older than you.
You're here for a month.
God, I could be your grandfather.
That's funny. Back to the car. Oops, I almost forgot my beverage. Gentlemen,
Okay.
what do we got?
Clips off.
Clips off. Okay, get this fuel line off here,
This here.
that, and then undo that choke tube right over there. See that little brass fitting?
No,
needs to come
this
off as
one
well.
here.
This one right here. And that one, yes, both of those. And that. I know, I'm showing Team Carburetor what up.
Team slow.
You're gonna probably want 2 wrenches to take that loose.
3/4. For this one.
Okay.
Is that 7/16?
Here, keep that over there. Those are goofy wrenches, guys. Those
Those are awesome because
Oh, yeah, you're
you
right.
go one way. They're not goofy. That's
So we have bisexual wrenches? Why would we have bisexual wrenches?
They're like
Got
you.
the wrong wrenches.
Bye, Deb.
Bye, Baby Doll.
Bye.
Bye, Dab.
All right,
Bye, Alvin.
keep going.